Hey everyone, welcome back for part 2. In part 1 of this series we finished by heat sealing the gun. If this created open seams, you may want to fill in some of the gaps with quick seal or any other flexible filler. As you can see, it's really easy to use. Just apply it onto the foam and rub it into the seam. When it dries, you can just paint over it. The next step is priming it. I'm using Flex Bond here. I usually thin it with a few drops of water. This will make it easier to apply. Use a few layers of primer, depending on your preference. I use 2 layers here. The Flex Bond will dry transparent. Here I'm applying a mixture of silver and white paint because it closely resembles the color of the gun. Later I decided I wanted the gun to look more realistic, so I just applied silver instead of a mixed color. Sometimes you just gotta do what feels right to you, and not what's in the picture. The other gun I painted with aged silver. This is a darker silver. By using tint black paint you can create more contrast. After applying it you can wipe off the excess with a paper towel. On the black gun you can also add silver or grey to the rivets and screws before applying black paint. The sides of the handle I painted with the same black, but it needs a few more layers because it's so thin. For the symbols on the side of the gun I only cut out a few reference points and transferred those onto the foam. Using these reference points, I could easily paint it on by hand. If you make a mistake, just wipe it clean before it dries and try again. Well, that's all for this build. I hope you enjoyed it and will be making your own gun. If you don't want to miss any future videos, make sure you subscribe.